What's the meaning of brand new? Brand new. Brand new.
Brand new. Brand new. The term brand new is typically used to refer to something that is completely new and unused, often referring to a product or item that has just been released or purchased. The phrase conveys the idea of novelty, freshness, and a lack of wear and tear. It can also suggest a certain level of excitement or anticipation associated with owning something new. Overall, brand new implies a high level of quality and a sense of pride in ownership, as well as the potential for positive experiences and benefits associated with using or possessing something new.